Welcome to the overview of the SMS messaging tool. To access this tool, you'll have two choices. Both options will take you to the SMS messaging dashboard. First option is the menu bar at the top. Click on Tools, then on Email and Engage, then SMS Messaging. Second option is on the left-hand side. Click on Engage, then Send SMS Text. It will take you to the SMS dashboard looking like this. In the center of the dashboard is your analytics, where you can see all the activity such as your contacts, your groups if you have any, and your Twilio balance. Remember, you will not be able to use the SMS messaging tool if you do not have an account with Twilio and have credit in your account to send messages. Below this block, you will see your sent messages that can be filtered using 7, 30 days and all time. It will show you the status of the message, which phone number, the country of that specific person, the date that it was sent, the cost of the SMS, and the origin, which is which tool in the platform you used for this SMS. You can also create a new message by clicking on the blue button. On the left navigation, you have Dashboard, which you can click on anytime in the SMS messaging app, and it will take you back to the main area of the tool. Below, you have Send SMS, same as the blue button, but we have in the main dashboard. This is the place to go if you want to send a once-off message. Then we have Send Message. But let's click so I can explain a little bit more. Here under Origin, these are the apps in BA that are connected with the SMS tool. If you have sent any SMS in those tools, you will be able to see the results on this page. We also have My Contacts, and here you will see all your contacts, and you can add a new contact here. Below we have My Groups. You can create different groups, very helpful if you want to target a specific group of people. You can also import an existing CSV file with your clients. And right here you can see the cost of an SMS you would like to send by country. And last but not least, the most important place to go first before you actually start enjoying the SMS app is the integration area where you can connect your Twilio account. And that is all from this overview. I will see you in another.